Hello, Miss Altnay. So today we are going to talk about how to convert octane to no-proven rubber. So in our group there are four people. This is Juan Khaliftias, Hibratjan Bakhbirgen, Taskhambay Marjan, and Bulat Vilvira. So we will also talk about BFD, PFD, and PID. So just Juan Khalif will talk about block flow diagram, and Bakhbirgen about process flow diagram. Marjan and I we will talk about PID. So let's start. First is just going to be start.
Block flow diagram (BFD) is drawing of chemical process used to simplify and understand the basic structure of a system. Our purpose to convert the octane neoprene wrapper. So there you can see PFT like octane gas to the cracking after gas to the separation after it divided to element which gas to dehydrogenation then it gas to the dimerization. So last one is hydrochlorination.
A process flow diagram (PFD) is a diagram commonly used in chemical and process engineering to indicate the general flow of plant processes and equipment. So there you may see the PFD. First, octane will go to the cracking furnace where the temperature is 400 and 700 Celsius. After it goes through heat exchanger and the compressor. After it comes to separation unit where octane will divide into two elements like butane and the butane. Then they goes to the dehydrator. So after comes to the dimerization where we get vinylacetylene. Last one is hydrochlorination. In this vinylacetylene will convert it into neoprene chloroprene.
There you may see the PID scheme. Also you may see that there we use it gate and the globe valves because it is enough for it. So firstly, like we powered octane into the storage using a pump, and as you can see there are a level transmitter and a level controller. They are used to check the level and control it. After octane, it goes to cracking where the temperature is 400 till 700 degree of Celsius. And there is like temperature transmitter to know what the temperature is inside in cracking furnace. After that, the substance like passes through the heat exchanger and through the temperature transmitter and the temperature controller. So they are needed in order to know what temperature the substance has. Um, After it passes through the pressure controller, like to eliminate pressure, if there is a high pressure, then it passes through the flow transmitter, and it is necessary to know the volume that passes. Then, like the substance goes through the compressor, then comes to the separation. In the separation, the substance is separated in two parts like butene and butane. Also there you may see the level alarm, two type of it. Mm, it will alarm us when there are much more substance or there is much low substance here. So next we'll continue, Elvira.
Okay, separation unit they are divided into propane and propane. So propane is lighter than propane, so it goes into dehydration. So it existed once again in acetone CN. So, and if we talk about propane, because it's heavy, it goes down into dehydration and it goes to the H2 and turns into CH2, and they combine together, and from the upper and lower go into mineralization. That is, they mix. So, and the common C2H2 comes out, and this C2H2 through the compressor, they enter hydrolyzation, and during the hydrolyzation of CN, so choline is already injected there, and the current is inserted, and they enter into polymerization, and then everything that was needed will comes out. So, and if we talk about the hydrogenation, so the temperature, also pressure transmitter and level transmitter is set there, and also watch the angel valve. So, and in each process they use the valve to stop if a or their passes open strongly. And as you can see on the top of the dehydration, there are two similar valves. This is a piston operated valve. This is when if the pressure increases, then it automatically opens. It turns out, so I think that H2 sends into the air in many, but if we use it for another, then it can be assembled, and then because of this I put it there. So H2, so that's the dangerous. So, and I see the level transmitter to show it, and I set the level transmitter to show it. So, that's all what I wanted to say, and thank you for your attention, Miss Altnay. We hope that you understand everything. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.